llega a ustedes gracias a nuestros patrones.
Especialmente Belki, Emilio, Edgar y Niño.
¡Hola, Minyieotics! Bienvenidos a
Minyieoworld TV.
Yo soy Sol.
Y yo soy Luna.
Y hoy es sábado.
¡Feliz sábado!
Today we are going to be reacting to a video that you guys requested. It is Regine Velasquez and her Spanish song, Ikaw Tu. So you guys want us to check on this song because it's in Spanish and you want us to review the Spanish in it, I guess. I don't know. What happened? Just don't come in the comment section with your torches and your forks or whatever they are called. If we say that she's mispronouncing some words or something, like, you know that it's going to happen naturally because like it's your native language, you know, like it's the same when we try to speak Tagalog and you guys comment, oh, it's not pronounced like this.
No, or normally they say, just speak English.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that it's fine. You're not really.
Yes, so we understand. We understand that you are very critics of your language too, so we are very critics of our language too. Guys, soon on our channel, we're gonna be reacting to Alamat. We are going to check their dance practice of their song. Okay, bye. So if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the notification for that video and many others. Also, when we reach 30,000 subscribers, we're gonna have a live Q&A. So save your questions and share our content so more people subscribe. We have also a brand new Facebook page. Please give us a like at Minyieoworld TV. We're trying to get 10,000 likes by the end of the year. So yeah, let's go ahead and see this video. Well, I can't see anything. Ooh, okay, now a guitar. No oigo nada. I'm sorry, but I'm not understanding anything she's saying. Is this in Spanish? Did you find it? Yeah, it says en español. I think I understood eternos. En amor. But we had to comment on her voice. Her voice is so... It's like a lullaby, right? It's like someone is singing a lullaby to you and you want
That's
to
why she's called
relax.
El pájaro cantor de Asia.
Oh, really?
The hummingbird.
Ah, makes sense now.
It's because she's...
Oh, yeah. Got it. Okay, tú eres la luz de mi mundo. Now, it's because it was very low volume. Wow. She sounds natural. She sounds like that's her first language.
Exactly.
You know, like it's not like these Americans trying to speak or to sing in Spanish that you notice that this is not natural. But for her, it's like, yeah, it's one of these Ana Gabriel.
Sí, exactly. Oh my God,
Like,
this is
what
exactly
is-
how I feel like.
These ladies
This
who,
Ana
they sing
Gabriel.
songs in Spanish and everyone listens
Normal.
to when you are like cleaning the house. I don't know. If you are a
That was
Latino,
it.
you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
We do that. You were going to say something.
No, I just agree a
Ah,
lot too
okay.
with you.
Wow. She can belt really high notes.
Wow, me encanta. She rolled the R's. Wow, she's going higher and higher.
Wait, she said mañana o mañana?
I don't know.
Or Mariana? No, I don't know.
¿Cómo que Mariana?
It's hard for people that don't speak Spanish to pronounce the letter ñ because
But
they don't
Filipinos
have
has ñ.
Well, yeah, you guys have
Parañaque.
parañaque.
Piñas.
Yeah,
Las piñas.
So, why am I bringing an excuse
Why
for
are you
you?
judging?
Maybe she didn't say mañanas and I didn't understand what she was trying.
Wow, dame la eternidad. Oh my
I'm
God.
getting goosebumps.
Ella sostiene esas notas por pila de tiempo.
But now that we are reacting to a lot of Filipino singers and a lot of things, like I understand why the stereotype exists.
That the
It's
Filipinos all
because
sing well.
yeah, it's because they are really, really good and they are very talented singers. What is this that is showing?
That's so much.
Ah, okay, it's the shadow of the microphone.
In her hand.
But I am seeing like a face. Look,
Oh,
the
now I saw
eye,
it.
the
Yeah, now I saw
nose, like a head doing this. So I'm like, why is this head, this face there, you know? And she's caressing the cheek of it. Oh my God, my active imagination. Now I can't stop on
Oh,
seeing.
mi alma.
I can't unsee it.
Wow. Wow.
After watching this, I feel blessed, I feel loved, I feel like pampered, you know?
Why?
Yeah, like
Her
someone
voice
was,
embraces you.
yeah,
right?
like someone was giving me like, yes, you're gonna be siempre tú, you know, like, I love you. So, I don't know, I feel fine. Please, my ears, thank you. I feel fine. And you know what else is going to make you feel fine? This video!
That appears right here is recommended by YouTube's algorithm, especially for you. So click on it
Right now.